Have you ever been confused when dealing with addition or subtraction of fraction? Don't worry, by the end of this video, it will be crystal clear for you. Before starting, make one thing clear. The number on the top of the fraction is called numerator and the number at the bottom is called denominator. When two or more fractions are written for addition or subtraction, then there are two types, like and unlike fractions. In this slide, you can see where it is written like fraction, it has denominator 7 in both the fraction. That means like fractions have same denominator. And for unlike fractions, you can see one fraction has 5 in the denominator and the other has 4 in the denominator. That means unlike fractions have different denominators. Like fractions are easy to add. You have to take common denominators for both the numerator and add the numerator only, not the denominator. So take 8 as common denominator and add numerators 3 and 2. So we get 5 by 8 as a sum. That is our answer. Now adding unlike fraction is little tricky, so pay full attention. We have two unlike fractions, that is 2 by 5 and 1 by 4 to add. First take out the LCM of denominators because we have to change or convert unlike fractions to like fractions. Then we can add. So LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. Now we have to make both denominators same, that is 20. So to make 5 as 20, what number you will multiply with 5 to make it 20? We know that 5 4s are 20. Now if you have multiplied 5, that is denominator, with 4, so you have to multiply numerator also with the same number, that is with 4. Same thing we will do for the fraction 1 by 4. So denominator 4 will be multiplied with 5 to make it 20. Then multiply numerator also, that is 1 with 5. Now fraction has become 5 by 20. Now both have become like fraction, so it will be added easily now. Take denominator, that is 20, as common denominator for both the fraction and add the numerator, that is 8 plus 5. So we will get 13 by 20 as our answer. Now subtraction will also be done with same method. Take denominator, that is 6, as common denominator for both the fractions and subtract the numerator, that is 5 minus 2. So we will get 3 by 6 as our answer. Now for unlike fraction, same method as addition of unlike fractions. Here LCM of denominator, that is 2 and 3 is 6. Now we will multiply denominator of the first fraction, that is 2, with 3 to make it 6. And as we have multiplied denominator with 3, so numerator will also be multiplied with 3. Do the same with another fraction, that is 1 by 3. So we will get 2 by 6. Now then subtract them like we did for like fractions. When you have two numbers that don't come in common table, that is not in same table, then you can multiply them and you will get the LCM. But if you have number that are present in same table, then when you multiply them, that will not be LCM, but can be used in place of LCM. But I will suggest to simply take out LCM in that case. Here examples of common mistakes are shown for subtraction. Same applied for addition also. Don't subtract denominator. Don't subtract both also. Sometimes student thinks that denominator are different, so we should subtract both. No, that is totally wrong. Avoid these mistakes. Join Guide My School Coaching Center to make maths fun and easy for yourself